Hey, you. Yeah, you. Looking at the screen. I'm looking for someone who's cute inside and out. Is that you? Here's my vegan tattoo. Chicks love vegans. Cute animals and cute guys rock. Factory farms and animal cruelty are ugly.
Hey ladies, you know what's sexy? Not being selfish and respecting your body as well as animals' bodies. Eating and wearing animals is nasty and not in a good way.
Bullying baby birds is not sexy, as are insecure boys flexing on animals. Cowardly and cruel, not a good look.
Smart and sweet are sexy.
Sucking on cows' udders is not.
Nor is ignoring animal abuses.
Cluck on or cluck off.